At Bee Positive they stock parts and wire for beekeepers who make their own frames. Now here's Steve with a rundown on wiring frames.
So this is our full depth frame, pre-stapled on the end for the wire, none on this end. Put it into our wiring frame, onto our wiring jig. The stopper here holds the frame in position and puts a small bow in the end bar. So when you release it, it helps pull the wires taut so you don't have loose wires. This is your framing wire. I prefer to use stainless steel wire. It's just nice to use so you don't get rusty wires later on when you want to clean your frames. Putting your wire in the frame holes that should be pre-drilled and nice and clean. Feed it through the two, and you'll see that the staples on the end that you've put in previously help slide the wire around the holes. Putting the end of the wire about 5 mil past the inside of the frame, staple it off, fold it back over, and staple the two wires again in the same spot. Using your reel, you can pull the tension, the slack out of your wire and get the tension you require by the sound like a guitar. Don't try to over tighten them because you can break your wires quite easily. Again, staple it off, fold it over, snip using the blade side down, and you'll find that they're pretty sharp, and then with your little tack hammer, no sharps. You don't want sharp wires sticking out because they'll cut you or poke you later on when you're robbing your hive and taking the frames out of the boxes.
Pick up your wiring frames, frame assembly parts and wire, along with other beekeeping supplies and raw honey, available in store at Bee Positive in Yandina and online at beepositive.com.au.